Oh my god, good morning everyone. There is sunrise is happening here. The beautiful, actually not beautiful, nominal sunrise is happening. So why I come on terrace? बाप रे मेरे को इतना दम क्यों लग रहा है? I just came like 2 floors up by skipping 3 stairs at a time. Like anything, I came on terrace just to have to check the chart. I checked the chart when I was in washroom and I see some of the opportunities we can getting line up. Let's go on chart and let's talk about that. And let's take the trade if it is matching setup or if it is not. Let's go on chart and let's see how it goes. But I'm the guy, I just woke up from the bed, hit to the wash, and then straight to the upside. Haven't done the brush, haven't done the shower up till now, haven't done anything. I need to check the charts first. Oops. This is the time we can able to take the trade because every single thing is super good. Let's go on chart. Let's see. So we are on the chart right now. Let's just close this do not disturb. A lot of messages are going to come. Man, look at that. Oh, this is so wrong. Zerodha Broking Limited has reported zero funds, which is not a zero fund. It actually has a lot of funds. I will just show you if it is possible. I don't think so. Like I think so. The window will be black. Maybe I don't care. I wanted to show. Yeah, this is what I have said. 5,700 just for purpose of using the things. So yeah, pretty much. So any important news here? I wanted to give a 5,000 for reading 50,000 followers. Not a big deal. I'll just change this from getting ready to trading study. Yeah, let's go. Let's see what is happening here. What is happening in GBP art? So I have organized the trades again from tomorrow trades to excluded trades. A lot of trades have come back to the price where we wanted to take the trade. So let's just see what is happening here. So weekly is actually showing the rejection, which is a good thing, but it is not a good thing because showing the rejection in the middle of the week is not an ideal thing, because if the rejection is getting shown, then when the rejection is going to get filled, I mean that is what making me turn off. Now this has created a beautiful week. It has to get filled. You know what I mean? That's just a dialogue. Okay, it has created that week. It has to get filled. Alright, so this week has to get filled, but this thing is going so upside like anything. So if 4 hours get bullish right now, I will be not interested to take this trade. But as I have I have predicted that it needs a retracement to this 4 hours EMA. Maybe it is good, maybe it is happening right now. But if it is happening the 4 hours EMA touch, that will create this big ass candle that has 18 hours to close. But imagine like how weird it looks like this. Like let's just go here and let's just do how it goes. Like this, and then like this, and then like this, and the candlestick is going to close like this. Doesn't it look like a bullish pattern or something like that? Doesn't it look like it is getting higher lows? That's the reason I am not interested. It lose interest. If it is creating, how in the world I can able to sell in the support? Yeah, when it is in support area, like this is the support area, and this is like a raw footage I'm actually posting on YouTube, like why I'm thinking and every single thinking about my trades. I just can't take the sell trade in the support area. Okay, I need to be lower than this. I need to be lower than this. If this candlestick closure above, then I will be waiting for the more good confirmation that is 4 hours to go bearish. That's pretty. Like I want something. I want something to be have the high confirmation. Why this brightness is so low? Okay, Bretta. Brightness. I don't know like how accidentally it got so low, or sun brightness dots high. I don't know. Imagine like just this thing is totally depend on the imagine. If it is close above this week, I'm just not interested, because it's like creating the higher low, higher high, higher low, and then new higher high, and then pushing upside. I lose interest in this. If it is doing this, I need 4 hours to go bearish in this particular area. I still 15 minute, 30 minute. Yeah, pretty much like if we just wanted a 30 minute to get bearish, because we need that. That means we have to travel this downside, which is not a good thing. That means it has to go up, close above. This will be the higher low and mess up here, then get bearish. Like a lot of things is going to be happen. I will be waiting for like a highest confirmation possible, because this thing doesn't look good the way it needs to be looking. Because imagine this is going to create like this. There will be a time that the candle will be like this. How in the world I can able to sell like this? Like it doesn't look good, Now this is the GBP art, exactly what I have anticipated. I need the daily doji. Now this is not a doji. This is not the fucking doji, but this is a rejection candle which I was looking for. Now this is a time to take the trade. Okay, this is a time actually take the trade. So now this actually looks beautiful, like GBP art. Let's just go ahead with the GBP art. GBP USD, come better, come down. GBP art looks good, like anything, exactly what I want. Gone up, retracement, have that daily doji. I literally said retracement to the area of interest, which I got retracement to this area of interest. Second point is daily doji / rejection candle, which I got the daily doji. It's not a doji, it's hard as like rejection candle, we can able to say. We got a rejection candle. So weekly F fair value gap get fair. So let's go on weekly. It's just simple, brother. It's like do this. Understand? No, Khushi Uddish was this. I don't want to watch, brother. I want to take the trade. I want to make money. Show me something which I can make money. So this is the fair value gap of the weekly, which got filled. Brother, this look 10 times better than like every single thing that we want is check mark here. Now, man, the brightness got so low. I don't know why, brother. Now there is one thing which is whacking me off, is like this is 4 hours higher low. This is not a higher low, it's just a structure, higher low, higher low, up, dismiss. I have to every 1 minute that alarm will run. I have to close it. I wanted to see the notification, but it is not. A higher low, higher low, next higher low is getting created, and the next higher is going to get created. So 2 hours looks beautiful. I mean, this is what I was talking, like a beautiful projection, and this is where I would like to take the trade to the downside, to upside. But as you can see my screen, I think so you can able to see my screen. Yeah, my screen share, yeah, pretty much. So this is the what is the projection I was looking for to take the trade, but it is what it is. We don't have the daily doji. Now we have the daily doji, but there is a big but here. You can see my what it is, time table. Beautiful higher low. Now this is creating the lower lows and lower highs. This I don't like that. This thing I don't like. If this is creating a lower lows and lower highs, this is not a good sign, brother. Also, oh my thing is spinning now. Shit, it is spinning like anything, brother. How the view is? The view is cool. Still we will sit. Get fucking uncomfortable, brother. So this is the creating the higher lows and higher highs, which is not a good thing. Either I want a 4 hours engulfing candle to what it is, to confirm that this is not like this move is done. Now there is a pattern here. I can able to see the pattern fucking. Alright, so before we go on that, we'll come up here. So this is the lower lows, this is the lower highs, this is the shifted to higher highs, this is the higher lows. I believe you won't be able to understand, like you will be like, what the fuck this is talking about. You will understand. Give me a minute, brother, give me a minute. This is the 30-minute higher high, this is the 30-minute higher low. Thank God I did the almost like 80% battery. 4 hours higher, 30-minute higher highs and higher lows. I will not be interested if it is creating the lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, this is pretty much creating the lower lows and lower highs. I will be waiting for break and retest of this area. Lower lows, lower lows, lower low, low. 15-minute, yeah, basically, yeah, pretty much, yeah. Give me a minute. This is the higher high, this is the higher low. let me just mark the things, be more precise, because this is not the high probable trade, because it is creating now the higher lower lows and lower highs. That means it is in a bearish market, and buying in a bearish market is a bullish thing, bullshit thing. The fuck, higher lows and higher highs. This thing is still bullish. Okay, this thing is still bullish, but in structure this is bearish like anything. A lot fucking bearish, a lot bearish. So I will be waiting for either structure to get bullish. Okay, so I will be waiting for the break and retest of this area of interest. Okay, like this break and then retest, clean break, clean retest, give me the rejection candle. I'm fucking in this trade. Then 30-minute will also be 30-minute, 30-minute, pretty much the same thing which I will be looking for in 30-minute will be above the EMA as well, that of the 30-minute. 1 hour, if this happens, 1 hour will give us a beautiful engulfing candle. One thing is which I don't like is will be still be under structure. Oh shit. Will be still be under the structure of the lower highs on the 1 hour. Yeah, this is a new structure of the lower highs which we are going to get broke. Makes sense. 2 hours, yeah, beautiful. 2 hours will be above the structure. I mean, this looks more 10 times better if we are above this structure. If we are not above this structure, I will be not interested to take the trade to the upside. This is what my rules are, do this. I will love to take the trade. If you don't, then you don't. I am not interested to take the trade. That's pretty much it is. But there is one more con, that if we are heading up here, our stop loss is going to be so fucking stop loss is going to be so big like anything. This trade doesn't make sense at all. Man, shit. This trade looks good, but the confirmation we need is the confirmation we want, that is making this trade doesn't look, because the risk reward ratio is not making sense at all. Also, there is a pattern, brother. Like you will say like, oh, this is mad, but this is like this is like a pattern I am able to see. Okay, so let's see, does this really happens or not. Now we are lower this EMA. Okay, that 15-minute EMA, 30-minute EMA is also getting, we are lower to the 30-minute EMA. 1 hour EMA is, we are above the 1 hour EMA. So if 15-minute, 30-minute is lower, what we can predict is 1 hour is going to get lower from this EMA. It's the dumbest thing to do. Like this thing doesn't work like that. But just like the added compliment, like one more thing to add in our checklist. So yeah, pretty much this is what this trade makes sense if it is above that area of interest. But also we are getting the rejection candles over here, and man, what to do? This trade has given me every single thing which I want, and now it is heading down, hitting the lower lows and lower highs, which is not a good thing, not an ideal thing. We can have the wick into this area of interest and can push upside whole, but we won't be able to take the trade. Man, the brightness is so low like anything. Why the heck it is? Yeah, this thing has to make sense if it has to make sense. If this thing is not making sense because it is creating the lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, as I have analyzed yesterday and day before yesterday, if I'm buying in the market which is creating the lower lows and lower highs, even though whole market is bullish, the structure is creating the lower lows and lower highs, 9 out of 10 times it goes in loss. So pretty much to avoid the loss, I can able to see that this is so beautiful price action, brother. Why I should be taking the trade here, but I haven't checked the fucking plan. Now the plan is saying that need to break and above this area of interest. That actually makes sense, but shit, can we do something more, something else more? Think, brother. Think. You can think it. You are only the one who can think it. Yeah, pretty much. This is what we can do. Yeah. It is right now in a bearish market. It is bullish market, but instruction is creating a bearish play, and which I don't like at all. Yeah. I'll waiting for the break and retest. That's only we can wait for. If it is creating that I need the clean rejection here, brother. What we can do is what we can do is here. If it is breaking upside and coming for rejection here, then we can easily take the trade right here. and heat the tick. That does make sense. But every single thing makes sense when it is about this structure. Okay, I mean, just break and retest to that structure. That does make sense. So I have keep the alarm here. Alarms. Okay, the lot of alarms are there. I need to delete this. I need to delete every single alarm so that I can able to place the new alarms. Why the alarms should get clones? I mean, why the heck the option is given? Alright, so here we go, brother. I will be waiting for the brick and then retest to this area of interest. Pretty much this is what I want. GVPR. So let's update this checklist. What we were wanting. We got the retest to this area of interest. We got that tick mark. Then we got the daily doji / rejection candle. We got that weekly fair value gap. We got fill with the weekly fair value gap. Yes, we got. So now we need 15 minutes structure to get bullish. That's all we want. It's this thing is pending. That's it. That's fucking it. We could literally avoid the this looks beautiful. I mean, like this looks. If I have to give the percentage, like a beautiness of this trade, looks like a 50% beautiful by 100%. Okay, this looks beautiful to take the trade right now because everything is bullish. Okay, 4 hours is bullish. This has came to the area of interest having the rejection, but the pro trader is only the trader who is going to see the frauds and flowbacks, which is structure is bearish. We could literally avoid the loss if we wait for the break and retest. Let's imagine, let's be a dumbest possible ever. Let's pretend that we have buy here. Okay, this is our stop loss, this is our take profit. Okay, and we'll be giving the stop loss right here, right? Oh my god, sitting down doesn't make sense, man. This thing is paining. Shit, I need to be. Let's fucking stand up. Sitting down doesn't make sense. So yeah, let's give the stop loss here. I'm not going to take the trade. We are pretending that we have took the trade here, and yeah, pretty much this is how it goes. And this is definitely, I mean, 50% of time this is going to get in the loss, and I don't want to take the trade which is having like just 50% in our favor. I want to have the most possible outcome. So we are pretending that we are buying this trade. We are not buying really. We just pretending that we are doing this, and it is going to hit. Like my thing is saying that this is going to hit the stop loss if it is below that structure. If this is break and retest, brother, this is like going upside. So I have put the alarms there. So GBP odd is very much ready to take the trade if that happens. Let's go in the RDCAD. OrdCat, we are looking for selling this OrdCat. This thing comes up. This thing, I told you, brother. I told you. We need to have the doji. I mean, this looks beautiful. This looks 10 times better than what we are looking in the what it is GBP ord, right? Yeah, this is what I was looking for, brother. This is like this. We're going to make money, brother. No. I am not. Oh shit. That mindset we are going to make money. That mindset is going to keep us broke. Let's say we are having the great opportunity, potentially make money, we can lose money. Okay, let's say like this. Oh my god, the 4 hours fair value gap just got filled. I mean, this trade looks solid like anything. Actually, let's sit down. Let's just sit down. Because standing up and holding the phone exactly the way we want, it's pretty hard. 18:15. Now it's time. You will see what's time is. I'm literally sharing every single thing. This is a beautiful trade, bro. This is the trade I was looking for. Like now this is the bullish, and then this is the bearish. Now it is the bullish. So now I have to track the bullish and bearish. So I just want this to get bearish. This is fucking simple, man. I mean, this is the simplest ever thing I have ever come up with. If you understand the things. If you don't understand the thing, this is the most hardest thing ever possible you can ever imagine in your fucking life. Okay, now I have to track it very, very precisely. This is the 15-minute higher high. Where the heck higher low will be? This is not the higher low. This is the cleanest higher low possible area. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, what is this? Shit, washing hands. After washroom, what do you do? Washing hands. Yeah, this is pretty much every single thing. I have detail like anything. Thank God I have detail a lot. Like, what's the fucking thing? No, इतना detail नहीं होना. All right, so yeah, again, let's just do this again. All right, so we are actually came to back to the area of now. This tree looks 10 times better. I mean, I love this trade. Let's just take this upside down odd cat. I am just in love with this trade. Like, seriously, the beautiful reaction right here. This week is again came up. Now looks like this is going to be closed like this or bearish, or it is going to pump down like anything, but it is going to do the things which I wanted to do. Okay, I literally say that this thing can't go. It has to close the like a daily doji. Now let's go on our checklist. Checklist says what we need: daily doji / daily rejection candle. Do we got daily doji / daily rejection candle? Yes, we do. Now let's go down to the lower time frame, brother. We are not creating the lower lows and higher highs. This is not a bullish thing. We are just coming back to the area of interest. This is like cleanest ever possible way I can able to imagine. 4 hours fair value gap just got filled. 2 hours beautiful higher low is created. This is not like a bullish market. It's just a structure in structure. I mean, yeah, brother. This is what we need. I mean, yeah. 4 hours fair value gap filled. Just waiting for 30 minutes to get 30 minutes and 50 minutes to get bearish. So 30 minutes. Okay, just delete this. Let's delete this. That was not the right thing. This is the right thing. 30 minutes. Oopsie 30 minutes higher low. If this break below, we can able to take the trade. Now that is getting like so much closer to the 15 minutes. This is the clean juicy spot to take the trade to the downside. 15 minutes. So yeah, pretty much I will be waiting for a break of this. If this break, then we will be below this EMA, which is a super cool thing. 30 minute EMA is also going to be lower. 1 hour will be lower. I need that thing to be seen from every single time frame, man. That is why I've deleted this 15 minute to 15. The fuck, I wanted to reset every single thing. This I just hate Snapchat, seriously. I love Snapchat to see the things. Like, if I wanted to travel to the whole, like, if I wanted to just see what's going on in New York, just type the New York and see the snaps. People are literally sharing a snap minute ago. I can literally see that the trending snap, like just a minute ago. You can literally see the things like what is going on there. I mean, just you want to do manifestation is the Snapchat is the best thing possible way. Okay. All right. So this looks like this higher low is so far. What I'm pretending, like what I'm anticipating, that this is going to create the higher low right here, and then this is going to get bullish. Shit, we are back off from the actual candle, then get bearish below this structure, and then we can able to take the trade here or wait for retracement to take the trade to the downside. This trade looks 10 times better than odd cat. Doesn't that make sense? So second point is we need 15 minutes and 30 minutes to get bearish. That's all we need. That's all we need, brother. That's all we need. And I feel like this is going to create the way I have defined, because there is no option. If it comes certainly down instantly, no one is going to sell here, because the take profit is not make sense at all. So it has to do the things which I have said to actually make the sense of the trade. So odd cat is, so we need 15 minutes. I have type here. I need 15 minutes, 30 minutes to get bearish. So when are we going to check? Every single 30 minutes we have to check. So odd cat, go in a reminder rather than sitting on a chart for whole time. Just type check the chart. So check the trade. No. Check the what is this? Odd cat. Check odd cat. I just wanted to see every 30 minute candlestick closure. So now from 8:21, right? So from 9 o'clock to repeat every 30 minutes. That's it, brother. So every 30 minutes I will be just checking. That's pretty much it, man. मेरे को बैठते नहीं आ रहा है नीचे. Every single 30 minutes we'll be checking the odd cat. We don't need to be on the chart. We don't need to do the things. This thing is so simplest thing ever possible way. Yeah, pretty much. So the next check it out is at 9 o'clock. Alright. I just want 30 minutes and 50 minutes to get bearish. That's all. I really know what I want. That is what making this powerful. So 4 hours is we have analyzed. But this trade looks good, Like this is going to weaken here and then exact the same pattern. I have just when I was in Washington, I just saw exact same pattern back here where it is. I saw it. I remember I saw it. But I won't be able to see it now. Why in the world I won't be able to see? I saw it, brother. I saw it by my eye. Is it? Is it? Is it? I won't be able to see, but I saw it. I saw it. It is going to weaken here and it is going to go up. But the thing is, this trade doesn't look good the way it needs to be looking. It's in the lower lows and lower highs, which I don't like at all. I just need the break and retest over there. That's pretty much it. Pretty much it. This is showing that it is going to go up. I mean, has a beautiful. Now I mean, there is a thing. Okay, this is the high risk. This trade, like, see on a 1 hour, it is literally showing that this is in a bearish market. Okay, but if you see in odd cat, the 1 hour shows like chilling, brother. It is not like creating high highs and high lows. It is like just create a structure. That's it. I'm not interested to take this trade at all. I need the break and retest of that particular thing to be interested in this trade or take the trade. GPR, just come down, brother. He's messing around with me. NZD let's see NZD what the heck is NZD is doing. Okay. This doesn't look good, brother, to take the trade to the buy side. Is that NZD? Check it out. Maybe. Someone's called someone. Alright, so yeah, pretty much fair value gap is getting failed. 4 hours is still bearish. Oh brother. I love this trade. I'm in love with this trade. I want this to be happen. Get bearish, get bullish, retrace. This is 10, like this is 100, like this is 1000 times better than whatever we are doing right now. This is 1000 times better than what it is. The currency, which is GBP odd, 1000 times better. So I just want this to be happen. If it doesn't happen, I'm good. If it happens, I am very much interested to take the trade. Yeah, pretty much I'm waiting for this to happen. That's it. Can we take the early entry? No, we can't take the early entry because we are the lower in this move. Also, we are below this daily area of interest. Also, daily area of interest is looking weird. So daily structure is looking weird. A lot of things are saying like wait for that fucking break and retest. Pretty much it. But this trade looks solid. If that happens, it is going to this thing. If this happens, it will close like a doji candlestick with blue doji with big wick rejection returns, and next day there is going to be bullish candle which is going to fill every single thing. That is what I'm looking for. This trade makes sense when it is above this area of interest. Okay, I need break and retest of this, so let's type it here. No, not like this. I need, yeah. So what we want, we create 30 minutes to go bullish. This is still in. Now rather than 30 minutes, I will be more conservative because I want the clearest possible 4 hours to go bullish. That's it. That's pretty much that's fucking it. That is what we are waiting for. Right now 4 hours is bearish. That's it. We are just waiting for 4 hours to go bullish. And when it is going to be happen, like 4 hours, let's say this candlestick closure, I need this candlestick close to like this so that it can validate the things which is going to be happen ahead. So next 4 hours, 4 to the 8 hours, basically like in a New York session, it may be ready to take the trade if it is doing the things which I wanted to do. Pretty much like the NZD is in a hot area now. NZD is now RGPY. What the heck is RGPY? It is doing. RGPY looks beautiful as well. But the thing is, a week is created, but it is so small, like anything. It is like a negligible week. I'm so sorry for this. I really don't know why it is happening. Am I going to die? I literally feel like that. Like something's weird. Something is weird. I can't die. I wanted to go to New York. Yeah. Pretty much. So the weekly week has created, but it is like a negligible week. It is so small week. Doesn't make sense at all. Also this week has to get filled. I mean this thing, the 4 hours is going to have the bearish play. So again the same exact thing what we are waiting for. But now this yeah, oh man, pani kitna pani aa raha hai yaar. Water is coming. There is like a two options from here. Either we got an engulfing candle here. We could be interested to take the trade right now if we got an engulfing candle. Like why we are interested? 30-minute is already bullish. Okay, so now yeah, 30-minute is 30-minute is bullish. Sorry, not is 30-minute was bullish. Came upside, break, and now again, so 30-minute got bearish. So this doesn't make sense at all if it just does like I want 30-minute to go bullish, 10-minute to go bullish. That's all pretty much I want. But I personally think that this all JPYs are like NZD JPY. If I'm saying if NZD JPY is coming down, or JPY is also going to come down. Okay, and now it is in process of to come down. If it is going to come down, it is going to come down up till here, create that new lower low, and then push upside, get bullish. 4 hours will get bullish. What I'm saying here is currently this is right now. This is going to break this, close this below this candlestick, and then come up. Okay, close above this candlestick, and then retrace, get in retrace this candlestick, and then very much likely to push upside. If this thing happens, the daily will create the daily doji, exactly the way it is right now. It is going to close the way it is right now. Okay, like having the beautiful rejection, like this is 10 times. I mean, this is what, if this is going to come down, exact same candle is going to get formed over here, just a small candle, and the next candle is going to be the push candle, because the 4 hours is bullish, daily is created doji, and we are above this area of interest. I mean, like this is like put your fucking house here, put your fucking house in this trade. No, seriously, this trade looks 10 times better if it does like this. Okay, come around, break, and then retest. Okay, and then we can able to buy here. Give me this, I will be interested to take the trade. Don't give me this, I'm not going to get interested to take this trade. So pretty much it is what it is. So I want daily and weekly wick to get created. It is still in process. How to say process? Let's give this symbol. No. Let's give the square root symbol. No, that's check mark symbol. Let's give this symbol. I haven't used this symbol. That's symbol of like in process. For us to get bullish, that's a cherry on fucking top. So I want for us to go bullish. Now this is not a cherry on top. This is the point I want to do this. I want for us to go bullish, and daily doji, if we got slash rejection candle, that will be the cherry on top actually. Cherry. Look how it looks, brother. Cherry on top. I look alien. I look like alien if I'm doing this. I have to do like this. I was straight dead, but it's very hard to hold the phone for so much time. Already we are in where the countdown is. Yeah, already we are in 40 minutes. Pretty much this is what it is doing what I want to do. Odd JPY, I'm waiting for the 4 hours to go bullish. Cat JPY, brother, this is what I'm saying. This is what I want. I mean, yesterday not a single currency was ready to take the trade. Now today every single currency looks beautiful to take the trade. I mean, it is what it is. Oh, let's play that fucking meme. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what what the fuck? So I can able to see like I can see the shades, man, in the skies. Right, in my top. I can see in my top. Actually, I will just shoot it. Hold on. Came back on this camera now, and in my over here there is a blue shade. Over here there is light blue shade, and over here there is kinda black shade, and over there is the yellowish some yellowish shade. There is a blue shade, and pretty much the sun is doing his business. So basically we are doing the things. Come back to the screen. We came back to the screen again within 15 seconds only. I don't give a fuck about recruiter, brother. Oopsie, brother. Getting ready for shower. We are very much behind our schedule. Beta, this has came to the house. Now it's time to use it. What I'm saying, brother. So now it has came to the area of interest that all you want. Okay, this is the new lower low. Okay, and this is the new lower high. I just want for us to go bullish. It's particularly what I want. Can we take the high low probable trades. Yeah, this is creating the lower lows and lower highs. It's not a good thing to, yeah, pretty much if we just wait for this and then this, pretty much that will create the all the time frame bullish. I want this to be, man, this, if this happens now, this looks so beautiful. Grab the liquidity. See, there is a fucking accumulation here, then there is a liquidity grab. If this comes up, that will be, I will be counted like a liquidity grab like anything. This is like beautiful trade. I love this trade. And then if this happens, that will make the 4 hours bullish. Put your fucking house in this trade. I love this trade. Like, man, this is the trade we should be taking. A lot big rejection candle, and the next candle is going to be a fucking push candle. But I personally think like I need the daily candlestick closure here, because the, yeah, I personally think the daily candlestick should close here. Personally think, like, personal. What the fuck is personal, brother? It is what I feel, like, as I am having experience in this thing, I just need the daily candlestick closure on this particular area. So dark. Oh, that is riding. Yeah, that is. Wait. Week to get. Let's see our checklist. Week to get create. So have we created a weekly week? Let's see. Let's go on this. Yeah, we have created. Oh, are we in a weekly? Yeah, we have created the weekly week. Not even weekly week. We're literally creating the weekly red candle, which is backing me off. So let's just type it here. So yeah, weekly week to get created. It's done. Basically done. Yeah, 4 hours to go bullish. Let's go on 4 hours. See, 4 hours go bullish. Okay, 4 hours is bearish. We haven't got bullish. Lower time frame shift. When 4 hours will get bullish, the lower time frame will shift. I mean, every single thing is now we are waiting for 4 hours to go bullish. That is fucking it. But I personally think, like, I will type this here. Okay, I personally think that I need daily candlestick close on the AOI, area of interest. That's I'm personally thinking, and this looks worst. I need to give the gap. Presentation of the chart must be beautiful, because being on chart is the 90% of a traders do. And if chart is messy, how in the world you can able to take the right decision? If your chart is messy, your decision will be also. Keep your chart clean as like anything. Just see my chart, like, just see, every single thing is defined like this. Risk is less, probability is this, and what I'm looking for, why I'm looking for, what are we waiting for, how much time we have to wait, what all the time frames are doing. See my, is there any like pretty much messy here? It's just like, come here, give me rejection, I'll buy. If not, that's it. This is the simplest thing, man. Cat GPY, we are cooking. We are not ready to take the trade right now. Cat GPY is not ready to take the trade right now. So exactly what I said, brother. Exactly what I said. It has literally came and literally it has literally came. And oh man, this is like shower time. This has came and retraced to our area of interest, and this was the actual time to, we should be trade to the downside. Yeah, this is the trade right now we can able to do. But let me check, are we bullish, bearish in the lower time frame? So this is bullish, this is the bullish. Yeah, this is not ideal thing to do. Pretty much close, low, and this is low. So we need to wait for like almost 20 minutes to candlestick closure. If this candlestick closure below this line, we are pretty much green light to take the trade. Also, we are getting the engulfing candle on the 1 hour. I mean, this is beautiful. 9:30, and this thing is going to be closed at 9 o'clock. Not a green light. It's given me the orange light right now. What about the 15 minute? Yeah, 15 minute is also saying me the same thing. I just need this candlestick close below this line. Pretty much it. Let's just check 4 hours. The 4 hours is doing his business. 4 hours has created a lower low, and now creating the potential lower high to create the new lower low. 4 hours is having also the beautiful engulfing candle. I mean, this trade looks solid, brother. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. This trade looks like 10 times better than whatever I'm seeing here. But this trade is the riskiest trade possible because daily is bullish. Pretty much daily is bullish. Weekly is bullish as well. I'm predicting, like, I'm literally predicting the thing which has, I don't think so. anyone have done. I just want this weekly to get filled, weekly week to get filled, and I'm going to risk in this. I'm going to take this trade. I'm literally going to take this trade. I'm not gonna lie. And it is. I can able to see now. This is closed. Now today is the day where we are going to have the potential move to the downside. This was not a day to move to downside. Why? Because lower time frame doesn't work like that. Lower time frame needs lower time frame are fucking slow. So yeah, we got the retracement which we were looking for. I was looking for to take the retracement over here. Let's just make it make sense. Okay, so weekly is bullish right now, and I'm so true that this is going to get wick fill here. I'm going to put the risk here for sure. Like, this is the area of interest. Okay, so we have retest to this area of interest to go down. Go on daily looks beautiful. Weekly daily EMA, evening star. It's not a high probability evening star, but it is what it is. Also daily EMA rejection, and now we have wick pullback, now push to the downside. It is 10 times better, man. And you know what, let's just actually take this trade, and I'm not going to risk, like, should I risk 1%, should I risk 20%, 1000%? Of course fucking not. We have given the risk tolerance to 0.8%. I'm going to risk the only the amount of 0.8%. So where I should keep the stop loss? Stop loss is going to be above this structure, above this EMA, to get the highest possible outcome. Okay, so this is like 34,6,500. Nah, that's 3,465. So I will be waiting for this, then yeah, pretty much it, bro, pretty much it. Also 2 hours lower 2 hours also getting bearish in structure. Actually it is already bearish. 1 hour is also getting bearish in structure. It is already in bearish state. We are, look at this is so beautiful rejection from this 1 hour EMA, 1 hour engulfing candle. Man, this trade looks like 1000 times better than whatever we are looking here. Oh, I look alien if I do this. I could literally place the stop loss right here. What was that? Whoa, did any crow? I mean, we don't need to keep the stop loss this big, The take profit is like 2:1:2, but if we just take the stop loss, I believe this is what is going to be happen. If we have the stop loss like this make more sense, brother, to keep the stop loss like this. But this can be the high risk, because that's not a high, that is the high risk. Like, we can lose the things. This is so beautiful, left head, and then now getting the right shoulder break retest. This can come up. You know what, like, see, there are 2 type of risk here. If we are keeping the stop loss right here, we can make like 1:2, 1.7. We're keeping the stop loss here, we're just making 1:2, but the probability is so high because the loss is like almost negligible. But if we just keep it here, we can get a victor, but potential return on investment is high. That's the decision I wanted to make it. This is so beautiful, brother. I just want this candlestick closure. That will give the, what we should do, man. What we should do. Should we play safe? Or if we play safe, then we'll not make more money. Okay? It's not about making more money. It's about like getting the things what we want, being right, precise way, plus being right in almost way. I don't want to be right in almost, because if I do this whole 1:2, but the same time, if I can do this, which I can see that if this thing closes upside, that will make every single thing bullish. Oh yeah, that does make sense, brother. Oh my god, my paining like anything, man. Shit. Yeah, this actually makes sense, like to keep the stop loss here rather than there, because if this closes above, that will make this bullish, 1 hour bullish. Okay, this will wallet every single thing. Okay, this will wallet every single thing, and this wallet every single thing that is going to come upside. Either way, either or, this is going to be happen. I'll waiting for this candlestick closure, the way it is going to close, like within 10 minutes. Let's get prepared to take the trade. Actually, let's get prepared to take the trade. This will be the stop loss. Okay, we have to add some of the peeps right here. So can I see 750? Yeah, I just need this trade to make sense. Okay, so this is the 116. Let's make a round figure 120. That's pretty much here only. 130. how it goes. 130. Yeah, 130 looks good. Wanted to keep the stop loss above the wicks. Yeah, 130 looks good. 130, I love that number as well. How about 169? I'm just talking about number, brother. This trade looks beautiful. I just need this trade to close like this, and I want that tool, man, to make the stop loss. I think so. We have to take this little bit down to be precisely calculate the stop loss and take profit. So let us do this. Okay, let's just do this. Copy. What is BTC, right? I'm getting into this BTC live in this because every single this is the most riskiest trade. I'm risking 0.8% in this ending shot. Fuck. I have given every single thing. Oh my god, I have to put this password. I will be back, brother. I will be back. So yeah, I have successfully logged in here. I will do this, and now why we have logged in here in this portal, because I need the calculator to calculate my position sizing with lot size as well. So BTC, can we do this? Yeah, BTC trade type is the sell trade type, and I'm risking here the entry price is this. Okay, I just want the price to be above for 8 minutes. This is a copy. Okay, here. Alright, let's paste this and let's calculate the number of lots I have to calculate. Oh shit, no, about 0.8%, that means 800, so 0.5, that's huge, 800, 0.8, oh that's going ahead. 0.87, no, that's huge. 5676, 844, 65, 55, 74, 58. Oh, there is helicopter. Someone is paying lakhs to sit in that helicopter. Salute to them. 57, 56, pretty much 56 is only the option we have. Oh, I can able to see. Oh my god, let's see this, man. Let's see this, because we already have 8 minutes. Someone is paying lakhs to sit in that helicopter. And what are you doing, brother? You're saving your 1,000 rupees? Oh my god. Look at that, brother. Just look at that. Oh shit. Look at that. So beautiful, isn't it? Someone is paying lakhs to sit in that. Can you able to sit in that by saving 1,000 rupees per day or per month? Ooh. This makes me so jealous like anything. So jealous. So, how come, like, this is the actual thing I'm talking about. Shit, man. Someone is paying lakhs. I'm so jealous in this. I'm going to sit in that for sure. I'm coming. So 0.56 multiplied by 7, we are calculating the commissions, plus 788.24, 790, which is almost near about to 8K. So 0.56 is the gameplay we have to take. We are going down. We need to take the trade right here. This is getting increase. Now I have to wait for this 30 minute to close. 15 minute closure. Yeah, 15 minute also. I have to wait. I have to wait for this to be get close. So let's come down a little bit. Shit, man, I don't have that tool. My laptop just sucks, man. If my laptop is on now, I could literally take the exact right trade. The lot size is not getting matched right here. So entry price is going to be this. Okay. Now the risk is out of the window. 54. Everything which we did here gone out of the window. 0.4, no, 0.5 is giving 548, 47. Ooh, 47 looks good. 0.47 multiplied by 7 are plus 796.35. 799, it is so exact number. So 0.47 is the lot size which I will be interested to take the trade here. Yeah, 0. What is 0. How much? 0.47 for $800. Okay, if we are taking a trade right here, and the for risking 0.8% of 5,000 cars, 0.8% is equals to how much? 40. We need to calculate for $40. So 0.1, oh shit, 0.01, 16, 0.02, 30, 0.03, 50, 0.02 only we can take. Yeah, 0.02 only we can take, which is not matching, brother. Fitting in 0.03, that makes not make sense. 0.02 only we can take. So 33. This is missing a lot, man. 33, I mean 0.02 multiplied with 7 there plus 33. This is overall risk, and I want to risk like $40 on this. Shit happen. What's gonna happen? That is why we need to wait for the daily candlestick closure. Sorry, what is it? 30-minute candlestick closure. So we are waiting for 2 minutes to get close. We have calculated lot size for this point, okay, to make sure that we are not going to get 0.02. 0.02 for risking the $33. Now risk reward ratio is not make sense here. We're still calculating for 5. This is going to be like 1:7. It is what it is. Come on, sir. It is what it is. So yeah, let's get ready to trigger this pull. Here we go. BTC. I really don't know about this. Okay, I have no idea about this. 1 minute. Oh my god. Have I take the trade before in this currency? Have I? Just add the stop loss right there, brother, right there. Okay, GBP USD. I have get ready for GBP. No, BTC USD. Oh no, market order. Okay, the stop loss is going to be this, and the lot size is going to be 0.47. Alright, I'm ready to pull the trigger. Just wanted to wait for 1 minute, one more minute, and that's pretty much it. 0.47 for $800. 0.47. Actually, the MetaTrader should you give the risk we are taking. You know, it gives the risk after we put the trade, but I need to see the risk before we take the trade. This is pushing downside. No matter what, I don't give a fuck. We have calculated lot size from this point, not this point. If I was having that tool now, the lot size was so pretty much calculated from here. We could literally easily make this. It is what it is. So 0.47 now. Let's add one more. 0.47, 0.48. Now I have used my brain. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam. Just close like this. I am going to take the trade. 0.47 BTC USD sell. Okay, so also we are going to give the alpha capital BTC USD we can't take the trade on alpha capital. Funded account BTC USD, come on baby, new order over here. Let's go here. Is the stop loss is correct? Okay, so what was that? 0.02. So we will be adding one more here, 0.02, right? So 0.03 we will be taking 0.03 and then sell. We are in this sucking trade. We are in this trade. I repeat, we are in this trade. I repeat again. I'm making like mad. It is what it is. I'm believing that this is going to go down. Why it is going to go down? It is having lots of reasons. This is a high risk trade. Okay, I accept this. This is like a high risk trade, and this has started to push to the downside. If we are losing, I don't want you to see. If we are losing, we'll be losing $731. I accept that risks. And the commission is going to be 0.48 multiplied by 7 there, plus how much we are going to lose. We are going to lose. I have already calculated, but just wanted to verify. 731 plus 731 is equals to 734 only. This is what I'm saying, brother. This is what I'm saying. Shit. Hey, new update, brother. New update. I can literally see the profit and loss over here. I can see the losses here. I can add one more. No, I don't want it to go. Let's keep it safe. 734. I'm okay with this. 734. That means over here as well there is going to be the lower thing. This pains like anything. I can't do anything. So 0.03, we are going to lose whatever we are going to lose. Alright. It will be less than $800. Okay. Over here, just we are risking like we just like 31 734. We are 50 dollars backward of what we wanted to risk. I'm completely okay with the risk of the taken I have taken. I don't give a fuck about this. So pretty much this is what my take profit is. I just need to set and forget this shit now. This is what my take profit is, brother. Now I will either my take profit will happen or either the stop loss will hit. Either or something is going to happen. But the most high probable I can able to see from my eyes, right, from my beautiful eyes. If you see that eye is really beautiful, you just can't see. If it's seriously see in my eyes, you will be like you're getting hypnotized because my eyes look so beautiful. Even when I see myself, my eyes in the mirror, I literally can see I'm getting hypnotized because the eyes are. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. It is really, really beautiful. So, pretty much. So, we are going to have this much bearish play. And I believe this is going to be happening. I believe in this, okay? And I want to do risk 0.08% here. I've took this trade. Now what happened here? I've took this trade. Now just wait and watch, brother. This trade looks solid. I'm saying you, this trade looks beautiful. This is going to push to the downside. Now see. Just comes down. Okay, where we were at. So having the liquidity gap here. We have analyzed that. So yeah, pretty much GBP or USD comes into our area of interest. Okay, brother. Oops. That sound has. By hearing that sound, all the birds have flown away. I was like, brothers, that birds you are getting heart attack or what because of the sound. Okay, this is not the valid area of interest if we talk about one, and then actually this is not a valid area of interest, but like a good amount of support resistance here. The 4 hours is going to get bullish. 4 hours is going to get bullish. 30 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, yeah. Pretty much it is what it is. Every single 30 minute. Oh man, we have put the reminder, है ना? What the heck about this reminder? Oh, it is going to start at 9:30. Oh, why, brother? ठीक है, brother. As you said, brother. So I need two things here. 15 minutes to get bearish, or 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever to get bearish. 4 hours to get for reminder thing. I don't give a fuck about that. The 4 hours. If 4 hours comes up here, beautiful. I will waiting for the lower time shift there. That's it. That's pretty much it. GBUSD we have analyzed and we are waiting for the if low time shift right happens over here. I will think double thing. If it is happen here, I will again double think. GP odd on other hand, exactly whatever we said it is happening. I feel like a god of a market. You know, the things I'm saying, it is happening exact same way. Okay, exact. I said this has to go upside. This looks beautiful to take the trade right now, but I don't want to do because it is going to go in a loss. Why? Because in a lower time frame we are creating the lower lows and lower highs. I'm getting so good in prediction, motherfucker. You understand? I'm predicting the $1 trillion market. Do you believe this is just the start of the things? This is just the start of the things. If I can predict the $1 trillion market, I can make trillions of dollars. I don't give a fuck about money, because money for me is just a number on the screen. Money doesn't affect me, you know. Like if I just down $1,000, $2,000, yeah, that sucks. But it doesn't suck because I lost money. No, it sucks because I lose that fucking trade. And I have done every single thing. What have gone wrong? I need to find that. I have done every single thing right. Even though I had done right, yeah, there is a probability of losing, because every single thing has a probability of losing. Of course, even though I had done that thing right, what I have done, I have gone somewhere wrong. I have done something and somewhere wrong that makes that loss happens, right? So I have to figure out, okay, that is a new thing. But the trade goes in loss doesn't affect me. As you can see, like, just go and watch any of the trade. I in previous week I lose $2,000. Sucks. Deal with that. I was like, I said that I am accepting this $2,000 risk. I lost $2,000. then that's the other part, that I make $2,500. That's other thing. But after I lost $2,000, like, why I lost, what I've gone wrong, what I have done something wrong that makes me lost this. I risk a lot of money. I risk 2%. So then I update it. I fucking update. I learn, I update. Now I'm risking 0.8%. I'm risking 0.8% and taking 4 trades. If I was risking 0.8% in previous week, I would literally pass the challenge. Easily pass the challenge, because only one trade goes in loss, but rest of the 3 to 4 trades goes in profit, which I won't be able to take the trade because I was so seriously into my daily risk is tolerance is 4%. Not even 4%. Let's talk about 3%. I've already risked 2% in one trade, already lost 2%, and already risked 1% in other trade. I want to take the other trades, but I won't be able to take the trade because I'm just finished of what I can risk per day. That is what power is. That is what I'm talking about, brother. And if you just if you think about something that you can achieve, and if you give you 100%, you can literally achieve. Just go on my videos, man. I'm literally feel like I'm achieving the things what I want. I'm getting successful. Not by money, okay? I'm not getting successful not by money right now, but I'm getting successful from my brain. If my brain is getting successful, money is going to definitely come. Money is just a part of a game, man. I just wanted to get good in trading. I don't want to get good in making money, okay? Making money is a part of a game. Just wanted to get good in trading. Trading is a game for me, okay? I wanted to get good in gaming. I wanted to get good in trading game. I don't want to become good in making money. If I'm focused on that, then I'm not focusing on doing good in trading. Of course, that's what I want. I want doing good in trading. That's why my main focus is money is just a part of the game. It is nothing for me. I mean, seriously, it is nothing for me. And this is a habit I have. My mom, dad have. Not mom, dad. I have make the habit whenever I make money something, or whenever I get some money from my relatives, I just hand over it to my mom, dad, because what I will do from that money, right? And why even I need that money? And I don't want that 100 rupees, 200, like $1, $2, $3, $5. No, I want thousands and thousands of dollars, millions and millions of dollars. And still, I'm literally saying in this video, even though in ahead, even though if I make millions and millions of dollars, I'm going to transfer it to my mom, dad. What I will do with that money? I don't want to see that. I just don't want money. I just don't want to get attached to the money. If I get attached to money, my trading thing will get worst. And money is nothing for me. Money is just number of the screen. Now see. Just see. Even if we are in a loss, I don't give a fuck. Even if we are in profit, I don't give a fuck. Why I will give fuck? Like, okay, let's give a fuck. Let's pretend. Oh my god, $108. That doesn't change the trade. That doesn't make me profit. That doesn't make me loss. Then why to give fuck? For no reason? That doesn't make any sense. Man, I'm getting into philosophy. Okay. Let's just continue this. GBP odd. I'm just not interested until that do that. GBP USD, it is doing the things we want. I want to the trade here. Let's precisely add that. 112.236 Oh brother, 112.238. Where is point or something? 238.18, 0.18. This thing is going to go down. I know this. That's why I took the trade. Yeah, brother. That is what it is. If we see, if what it is, if we hit our take profit, okay, that will leave us 600. Nice, 1:6. That will give us 1:6, right? So 731. Let's calculate how much we will be making, so that we can predict. Are we going to pass the funded account or not, or are we up above our 1.6% per week thing? 731. Okay, multiply by 6 that is going to be 4,386. That is going to leave us 4.3%. 4.3%. Awesome. 4.3%. Okay, so we'll go ahead of like 2 to 3 weeks ahead within 1 week if this hits. And that's what I want, and that's what I have predicted. I don't give a fuck about this money. I just don't give a fuck about any number. I respect money. Okay, I want money. To be honest, I want money. Why I want to to live the life I wanted to live. Go to New York, travel to the whole world, chill, relax. I want to see. I want to see the whole world, the corner of the world, corner of every single like New York. I want to stay in New York. I want to stay. I want to stay in New York for years and literally travel, walk, enjoy, have friends, make friends, clubs, blah blah blah, every single thing. Then I wanted to go into Paris. Then Paris, visit every single where. I want to explore the whole world. Okay. I'm also going to take my mom dad for sure with me. For sure. Okay. And to make this happen, we need money. That is what I just look forward for. Money is just going to make me do what I want to do. It's not like, yeah, brother, I need money. That's it. No, I just I mean, I'm doing this trading for money. Yeah, for sure. That's what every trader goal is. But I started trading just for that goal. But now I can see potential in this trading. That brother, that mindset have kept me losing a lot of money. Then I changed my mindset. I don't want to make money from trading. I wanted to get good in trading. Money is just a part of a game. And now I can able to see I got good in trading. Money will flow. And you won't even believe. This is $1 trillion market. If I'm just taking 1% of this, you won't even count. Even I can't even count the numbers. I just know that if I do this, if I get good in trading, I will make money. That's 100% sure. And if I'm making money, I can live whatever I want. I can do whatever I want. I can take my mom, dad, whatever. I can literally extend my mom, dad's lives. This is what it is. It is what it is. So that's now what I'm looking in a trading. I just don't look at trading as a money making machine. I just look trading as a game, and the money is going to come. That's 100% sure. So let's recap where are we, and then let's go down and let's do whatever we want to do, and let's get trading basically. So this is very pretty much ready to take the trade to the downside. Odd cat is the I'm sitting so worst shit. So odd cat, it is ready to go down. 15 minutes. I just want 15 minutes and 30 minutes to get bearish. That's pretty much I want. Oh, you saw that 15 minutes created a new elbow, but I will be waiting for 30 minutes as well, because I have saw a lot of times that if 15 minutes get bearish, that's completely a fake out. I need a lot of time frames to get stack up with each other to make that trade make sense. Odd cat waiting for 30 minutes to get bearish. What are we waiting here? Oh you this is what I was saw. Shit. Just go on previous. How I can forget? Just go. In previous video, I literally said, why the fuck people are buying here? Why the heck people are buying here? They are going to get in a loss. Look, they get into loss, brother. Look at. I say, why in the world they are going to buy this trade if 30 minutes is bearish? What the fuck? I mean, that doesn't make any fucking sense. Now the 30 minute has created the new lower low, which is this point. Now I'm just waiting for the break of this 30 minute here. This make more sense. If the 30 minute get bullish, guess what? We're going to get 1 hour bullish. Guess what? We're going to get 2 hours bullish. Get one more what? We're going to get 4 hours bullish as well. If I want this candlestick close below this line, this candle, then we can get 4 hours bearish, and then we can get 4 hours bullish. But this trade makes more sense like anything, brother. More fucking sense. I have signed the fucking deal, brother. Like I said that this is going to come now. Why? Because how in the world the market is bearish and you're fucking buying in that market? Our dumbest people will do this, and like people are going to buy because they don't know how to read the market, and they are just going to buy for no reason, and then they will be losing for no reason. If you're buying for no reason, then you'll be losing for no reason. That's pretty much how it is. Market is a mirror of you. If you're dumb, you will lose. I was dumb, I lose like anything. 4 years straight forward, 4-5 years, even 6 years maybe. Now I'm getting ready for making millions on the fucking market. Okay, this making millions is the goal. Yeah, no, not gonna lie. Now I'm looking forward to make money. Yeah, not gonna lie. I have predicted that is going to be happen. Why? Because I'm getting good in trading. If I'm getting good in trading, I can do anything whatever I want to. And this is why I have gone to college and done this. So we are now getting a bullish engulfing candle here, which is showing that rejection is getting. This looks ready to take the trade. But what are we waiting here? Daily to week, daily and weekly create created week. Week needs to get created. Let's just delete fucking this. Have we created the week? So small. Oh, this candlestick. If this candlestick close like this, I'm putting fucking house on this. No, never put a house up. Just risk only and only 1%. Even though you lose, how much you losing? 1%. That's it. You have 100 times, 100 different chances to get win. This price looks so beautiful. Like retest, that rejection, and then push to the upside. This literally looks beautiful, you know. But there is con. Yeah, there is con. 30 minutes is bearish. Yeah, brother. 30 minutes is bearish. I haven't typed it here. What I need 30 minute, 15 minute bullish. 4 hours. For 30 minute and in minute to get bullish. That's it, pretty much it. So let's put the alarm here. Let's see what happens. Like let's just come up. Like let's just analyze when this happens. I believe this is not going to be the ideal thing to take the trade right here, because every single JPY is going to go down, right, to do that thing. So this is also going to go down. Like cat JPY, it is arrived. I personally believe this needs a daily candlestick closure. Also 4 hours to go bullish. We'll see that. GBP/USD coming into the picture, and now 30 minute, 50 minute. I need to get bearish. Yeah, pretty much. GBP odd. Oh, this is a beautiful lower lows and lower highs is creating. This is going to straight to the stop loss for sure, brother, for sure. Okay. BTC/USD is doing his business. Euro odd. I'm just recapping the things so that we can go down and we will be understanding what are we looking for and why we are looking for. This trade looks good to take the trade to the upside, but now the trade has basically gone. I would love to take the trade right here, not here. Odd USD coming into the picture. Euro USD coming into picture. Not liking it. Odd CAD. Ooh, odd CAD, huh? Oh, we came circle back to the upside. So yeah, pretty much this is it. Stay tuned, signing off. Enjoy. But still I am like not able to understand what are we looking here. A clear picture. Let's just think it. Let's just clear it. So odd CAD, let me just see here. Odd CAD, this is odd CAD, okay. I'm just waiting for lower time frame shift. That is looks beautiful. In odd CAD I'm looking for lower time frame shift. When are we going to have the trade? Pretty much like within, okay, I need to update this within one hour or 2 hours. Yeah, within 2. Oh my god, hold on, that's 6%. Yo, what is up everyone? I got ready. As you can see right now time is 11:43. Oh, you can see the time as well. My screen is shared. Let's see where are we in the move and what is happening. Just like be with the updating the things. So looks like that this is the new higher low. We need to break that. Then 15 minute as well. This is the new higher low. Alright brother. We're so close to take the trade. Just need to see the things to play it out first, and then we can. Then GBP/USD. I said, brother, this is not ready to take the trade to the downside. This is not ready to take the trade to the downside. Not now, at least. We need to see some rejection of the 4 hours candlesticks. There are a lot of it here. Yeah, as well. If we just close below this candle, it will be good. Yeah, it will be a lot good. GBP/USD is cooking as well. Trade is getting cooked, and ZDJPY is doing the things which I am saying to do. It is basically doing the things which I am literally wanted to do, and that is how it is going to be the high probable setup to take the trade. It needs more hours to like 30 minutes. Yeah, it needs like 1 to 2 hours to at least to take the lowest probable trade. If you wanted to take the trade, that will be the lowest probable trade. I just need the price to go above this black area or touch this area of interest. That's it. I can't just take in middle. And odd JPY. I look like alien, brother. It doesn't look good, Odd JPY. This was like a very I was literally looking to take the trade, but then I saw that 30 minute haven't got bullish. It is still bearish, so that's how I have avoided the loss here. Cat JPY is doing the things which I wanted to do. Like I have updated this thing. So the 4 hours is here, and now I know that 4 hours is going to do this. This is going to be a liquidity grab, something like that, and then it is going to do this, like going to go up. So we can take like early trade. That will be that will be just, I need this candlestick close above this candle so that we can take the trade to the upside. GBP odd. GBP odd is consolidating here. This thing is getting bullish or what? Oh yeah, this got bullish. GBP odd looks very good to take the trade right now. So what about 30 minutes? Nah, 30 minutes is still, like creating the structure, lower lows and lower highs. I'm just not interested to take this trade right now. BTC USD, it is still consolidating, and see why there is a reason like why we have come up till here to fill up this 1 hour fair value gap. Exactly, as you can see, this is a fair value gap right here. This has to get filled, and then 2 hours, exactly 2 hours fair value gap is already filled. The 4 hours fair value gap, nothing matters. Daily is chilling out. Daily already has filled the daily 4 hours fair value gap. Now it is ready to push down pretty much. So yeah, pretty much this is what is going to be happen. Now the push is going to be happen like anything, as you can able to see. What a push, man. It's like fuck, like this. It is what it is, brother. We are getting so good in prediction. BTC USD is done. Euro odd, have we shortlisted Euro odd? Let me just check it out. What about Euro odd is doing? Euro odd is about to take the trade. I really don't like the trade to take this above. So Euro odd is not tomorrow's trade, it is excluded trade. So tomorrow's trade is, there is no tomorrow's trade. Excluded trades are Euro odd, where we are not going to take the trade at all. Odd USD, Odd USD, how about Odd USD? Odd USD, we can take the trade in Odd USD, but I need daily candlestick closure over there. So Odd USD is cooking here. We can take the tomorrow's shortlisted tomorrow's trade. Euro USD is also cooking, but it is creating, it is not looking good. It is not looking good at all. 2 hours, I mean, yeah, it looks good, but it is not good as the things which you wanted to have. Daily has done the things which is so weird, to see. I mean, same thing. I want daily candlestick closure over here, and then daily candlestick. I need daily candlestick to see the rejection on first hand. Then I can able to take the trade on Euro USD. That's it. That's pretty much it. So Euro odds have already gone. Actually, let's see the Euro odd about. Euro odd is too top. I just need this to come till here. Then we can take the trade. That's it. That's pretty much it. If this comes here, have the retracement to this area of interest, have the retracement to 4 hours EMA, it is beautiful to take the trade to the upside. Until that, I am not interested to take the trade. It's basically chilling. So we are right now in a BTC USD, and that's pretty much it is. CAD JPY is cooking as well. So whatever is cooking, we will be keeping it on top. CAD JPY is cooking. It's very much ready to take the trade once, like within 1 to 2 hours, if everything goes correctly. Odd CAD is also cooking. Yeah, pretty much. But 4 hours is 4 hours is also bearish. This looks beautiful trade. I mean, yeah, it just need like a 30-minute shift of structure, and that's pretty much it. I need one candlestick closure over here, and the next candlestick closure over here, which will be like 10 minutes, right? So I need 2 candlesticks closure right here. That means this is going to be the down candle right over here. 12:30. I will be checking this at 12:30. So let's add the alarm. Actually, the alarm is already added. Every 30 minutes I'm checking. So pretty much let's delete this and let's just do this and do this and do this and do this. That's it. That's pretty much it. OrdCAD, I'm waiting for 30 minutes to shift of structure. OrdCAD is also cooking like anything. GBP/USD is also very much ready to take the trade, but we need the shift of structure. This doesn't look good at all, but like just take that GBP/USD down. That doesn't look good at all. So not at all. Doesn't look good. The OrdCAD is cooking. We did right. We did this. We did this. Yeah, we did this. So NZD/JPY is the NZD/JPY needs a lot more time. NZD/JPY comes down right here, where it was. Odd JPY doesn't look good. I need daily doji to be happen, daily candlestick closure to be happen like this. Then we can able to take the decision. Odd JPY, tomorrow's trade. GBP odd. See, some lot of short listing is happening now. What karni ho rahi yaar? GBP odd. Pretty much I need the break and retest above about this area of interest. That's pretty much it. So GBP odd is going to be tomorrow's trade maybe, because it needs time. Yeah, tomorrow's night evening GBP odd is going to be evening trade. BTC is just chilling. You'll just set and forget. NZD JPY. Actually, let's add this. One more section we'll add. I love this section thing in the trade. Yeah, in the trade. This is BTC USD in the trade. Let's hide that. So yeah, pretty much GBP odd is in evening. This is in tomorrow's trade, and this is excluded. This is so good in shortlisting. I love this system. Again, rechecking thing, everything. CAD GPY just need that shift structure. Odd CAD needs shift of structure, which is going to be like within 1 to 2 hours. NZD JPY needs a whole bullish play. GBP odd needs the whole bullish play. That's it. In the trade is BTC USD. Just forget this trade at all. BTC USD. Tomorrow's trade is going to be what we need here. Just recapping every single thing. I need daily candlestick closure here. Odd USD. I need daily candlestick closure there. Euro USD daily candlestick closure. Euro odd. I need retracement here, and then we can take the trade to the upside. How much time it can take to have the retracement there? Pretty much like 1 4-hour candle. Daily is going to be, daily looks choppy if it comes here. Still looks good, but it daily looks so choppy. Like 1 day, 2 days, 3 days in the same area. I need this to come here, then give me an engulfing candle on the 4 hours. But the daily doesn't look good. If it doesn't look good, then I should not consider to take the trade. Even we will be below this very strong support resistance area. Imagine if this comes up, this candle will be full red. Then within same day it is going to be like this, and full wick candle. This candle will be a full wick candle, and there will be a body right here. Doesn't look good, isn't it? Let's just exclude this trade. This trade is excluded. That's pretty much it. So these are the tomorrow's trade. Basically daily candlestick closure. Yeah. So when are we going to have the trade? Next trade within 1 to 2 hours. I will update every single thing. The first trade we can have is in CAD JPY. Pretty much very much ready to take the trade, but oh yeah. How you can forgive, brother? This is in a downtrend. This thing is in downtrend, man. I just haven't saw this. This needs to be closed over here. This needs a whole bullish play now. I was literally looking to take the trade, but then I just remember right now that this thing is in full bearish play. We'll keep an update. We'll see how it goes. But in 4 hours, I need this. Then it will be shift of structure properly to take the trade. 4 hours in CAD JPY, that will be high probable to do so. CAD JPY needs a full bullish play. Odd CAD just need that shift of structure to take the trade to the downside. Pretty much it. Let's just add the alarm here. Can we do this? If we can, we will. We had RDCAD need that shift of structure. NZD JPY need the full bullish play. So one NZD JPY needs bullish play. GBP odd full bullish play we need, because this is like in the lower lows and lower highs. CAD JPY need a bullish play as well. So I can able to see this is ready to like today's evening or something like that. GBP odd is ready to take the trade today's evening. This is also today's evening. Only the trade we can have right now is within 1 to 2 hours, which is this. Now this is so much clear to understand. This is in the trade. Let's just see what is BTC is doing. Is doing his business, and now it is going to have the big red candle because it has created a wick, fill that fair value gap, do his business. Now the next business is go down. I really accept the risk over here. I'm just not looking to make money here. I just wanted to like test my analysis. I'm just okay with if we lose this. It is what it is. Stay tuned, signing off. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day ahead. I will be now doing the lunch. काय रे? अरे तू आलास? आलो. So what is up, brother? What is up? How are you, brother? नाही रे लॉग आउट झालं थांब लॉग इन करू We'll be back signing off. Kayo. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Was about to drop. I just have finished the lunch and guess what? I was watching I finished the lunch 1 hour early only and I did watch someone was a trader. I mean, who is a trader? And he traveled to New York in a private jet. He was with his friends and then gone to the club, spent $14,000 for that. Just 2 to 3 hours. I'm like, he did the private. That's double. I mean, he's in Miami. People, I mean, traders earning a lot of money, brother. 40,000 for 3 to 4 hours. Just to do dance and enjoy. My God, I was like, trading industry is so huge. I just appreciate this. I am in this industry. That means I'm also same part as well. I like it. So I'm on the way to become this full. See, have you saw this BTC USD? I will show. Yeah, pretty much. Which side is playing this? What I really don't know what is happening right now. And this is like
exactly the same from one.
And if I'm pausing, this is still. Oh, that's gone. That was bug, I guess. So yeah, I have recorded this time as a housework because I was about to do the housework. Washing machine ho chuka hai. Now I have to dry the clothes. So BTC USD is having a retracement. Okay, now it is ready to push downside. I'm again saying, like I wanted to clear one thing. This is a trade. I have raised 0.8% in this trade. If this trade goes in loss, I am completely okay with it. I will be losing $735 plus $3 commissions. I'm completely okay with that, and I have to completely okay with that because this is a trade which I have to. This is the highest trade. This was the lowest. Do anything. This just can't come upside. But the matter of fact, the matter of fact that the daily have the area of interest, which is this should be pushing downside. I mean, now it is not having the push. That means it is having a retracement to this area of interest to go down. But there's a big but. I will still be on my prediction that this is going to go down. Why it is going to go down? It has a beautiful break. It has beautiful retrace. It has created the weak rejection. Now it's just having the again break, and now it's just having the retracement to the go downside. And if this is what my prediction is, my prediction has to be like, my prediction is like 80 to 90% accuracy. If this goes and hit the stop loss, I am completely okay with that. I'm completely okay with losing that particular amount, which is 0.8%, which is 800 overall, and I'm completely okay. I will learn something new. That, brother, this is what you have lose. I'm just not focusing on the money part. I'm just focusing on why I lose. Then I will be understanding that the rejection, this rejection happens below this structure, area of interest. We should be weak into this area of interest, and then we should be having the shift of structure. So right now we have not came into the area of interest and haven't rejected that. That could be the one point. No, that is only the point that we are going to go into loss. If loss happens, we know why it is going to be in a loss. That's pretty much it. Every single thing looks beautiful. This beautiful wick, it is going to get wick fill. This is also the wick is going to get fill. I mean, this look 10 times beautiful. I will still stick to this. I will stick to this. I don't care if this loss, I don't care if this profit. If I'm again saying, if this has loss, I'll just wait for the same thing. Over here, I will just wait for a shift of structure and then push to the downside. Even you know what? I want this to go in a loss. You may ask like, what the fuck you is talking about? If we go in a loss, that trade will be taken over here. The stop loss will be too good to be true over here, and the take profit will be, man, so seriously, like 8 to almost 9% within just one trade. I mean, I personally want this to happen. I personally want my stop loss to get it so that we can get a beautiful, more precise, more good entry to make more amount of. So if the loss happens, loss 0.8%. But if after having the loss, then again we will be taking the trade. That time we'll be having the profit of like almost 7 to 8%. Actually, it's not 7 to 8%. If we're risking 1%, that's a 7%. Just calculate if when we are risking 0.8%, then how much we are going to earn. The 0.8 multiplied by 7, 8. Okay, 0.8% multiplied by 8. That will be good, like the risk reward ratio will be like makes sense. Over here it is also like very high probability that it is going to go down, but if it is not doesn't go down and it has stop loss hits, I love that. I would love to hit my stop loss. Personally, I want this to hit my stop loss. You will see, like, not a single trader wanted to lose, but I am a trader who wanted to lose and get a good entry. If not push down, I'm completely okay with both of the thing. I'm completely okay. OddCAD, let's see OddCAD, what OddCAD is doing here. OddCAD, we want the shift of structure. Looks like that we are retesting the EMA. Now we are almost going to have the shift of structure to the downside. Pretty much we are waiting for the same. NZD pretty much nothing is happening here. I just want 4 hours to go bullish, but the issue is the 4 hours. This is now the lower low and this is the lower high. This is the lower high, and pretty much the 4 hours will not get bullish if this and this happens. So we'll see how it goes. This even doesn't look good at all. Like, to take the trade. I mean, this actually doesn't look good. The area of interest is full. I just want price to come up here, then we'll see how it looks. Okay, NZD, this is the update. GBP as I said, it is happening the way as I said. A lot of buyers are going to, even I was going to buy here, but that is not the case. Where are we in the move? We are trending down, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high. Now creating the lower low. Now it will be creating the lower high. Potentially it will show you some profits, pretty lower high and push. That is how it is going to be happen. That is just waiting for this break and retest actually save us losses. CAD GPY, I just want this to be happen to get bullish, because we are right now in the lower lows and lower high stage. We are in a bearish stage. I just want to have this. That's it. That's pretty much it. BTC USD, I want my stop loss to get it. Oh yeah, it is what it is. Let's see. Is this going to be happen? Yeah, pretty much it is going to be happen. Like 15-minute got bullish. This game is over now. Now the game is over. 30-minute also got bullish. Actually the game is over now. It is going to, we are going to hit the stop loss. Ooh, like we are going to go upside. That's almost like, now it's 30% coming towards the stop loss. It is very high, very 30% probability of it hitting the stop loss, and now it is happening to do so. I literally wanted to happen this. Yeah, that sucks that we lost. Who cares? We're getting a good entry. I mean, some good thing happens. No. To happen the good thing, we have to lose something. So this is what is going to be happen. Okay, a lot of messages coming, but 2 hours in the 2 hours perspective, this looks beautiful. That is going to reject and go downside. 4 hours perspective, it just having a retracement. Pretty like normal thing is happening to go to the downside. Pretty much it is what it is happening. Yeah, we'll be just keep it holding. This is doji kind of sticks. Alright, so let's get back after doing that machine thing. I need to try the clothes. Signing off there. So yeah, work is done. Now I will literally today I will avoid to sit like this, because sitting like this is now pinning a lot, because I'm continuously sitting on the phone doing the practice, doing this, doing that. So we'll lay down stomach, because this, oh my guys, this is the only option we have, because yeah, now there will be no pain. The pain will gone if I just don't sit. No, actually I have to exercise like, oh you can't see. Yeah, pretty much like this. I have to exercise a lot more time, or else I will sit like this I will give less stress there. It just previously also, like 1 to 2 months before as well, it happens. I was continuously sitting like anything in a weird shape. I was sitting, and then it started pinning. Within one day I won't sit, and I was just like lay down. Within one day it just gone. But if I just still continue to sit, even if it is not allowing me to sit, then the rest in peace, brother. I have to give a break to my break. Yeah. let's do this lectures, testing, blah blah blah. Yo brother, we came back again. Let me close this. Yeah, pretty much. So within 10 minutes, let's see update of BTC USD. I just want to keep an update, and if that loss happens, I want to get hurt from that loss. The loss is not getting me hurt. Okay, yeah, this is the time I should be checking the loss is not getting me hurt. I wanted to get hurt so that the back testing and whatnot we are doing, that will get speed up, please. I want to see the loss, brother. I really wanted to get hurt. Yeah, this is how it go. Okay, get hurt. You have to get hurt from this loss. Okay, literally, I'm recording every single thing. So we are currently having the loss. No, you can't go down. You have to go up. Okay, just remind me where when you're going to have the hit stop loss. I'll just keep the alarm there. Oops, you can't keep the alarm. This account is not a premium account. So basically, yeah, perfect thing. We are heading upside. Beautiful. That means we will be getting a more good entry, more precise entry, very very close to the area of interest. That looks so beautiful. So I will be just waiting for this to happen, and then low diamond shift. That's pretty much it. Pretty much that's it. So we were going for odd CAD, waiting for shift of structure, NZJPY, the 30 minutes, yeah, none. So 30 minute is going to get bullish once we came above that area of interest. GBP or exactly what I said. It has to go in a loss, and we are not in this trade. We are just pretending that we are going to take this trade, but we are not going to take the trade, and this is how we will be avoiding the loss. We just wait for break and retest. That's pretty much it. CAD JPY, in CAD JPY it's consolidating, doing nothing here. Oh, do we close there? Oh, that's so hold on. Close is 642 and here is 642. 640. Yeah, we can check 42. Yeah, pretty much this is still bearish. Then this is still bearish. Not interested. BTC USD stop loss. Yes, and we are officially going to hit the stop loss. Yes, so we are officially going to lose 0.8%, which is like $700-800. Hit the stop loss. I love this price action though. It is now heading towards upside. You know what, when we take this trade, when I came down, I was doing brush. I was like, fuck, we did one kind of mistake. We took the trade very lower. We have to wait for this area of interest to tap, which it is now heading towards. And I was like, yeah, that's true. So I literally got that we are going to go in loss earlier after taking the trade, but now it is pretty much what it is. Okay, Pratik Games. Hold on. I will just take his. Hold on. How to close this? हो का आवाज आलाय बरं का ऐकू हा ना हो मांजर घेऊन फिरतो का रे हा सी दिस ए मांजरच्या माग कशाला पडलंस हा मांजरला कशाला हाकलतोस हा मांजर सोबत खेळायचं वय का तुझा ओहायो गोदाई मासू म्हणायचं वय ओहायो गोदाई मासू म्हणायचं वय काय So right now I am doing this. Oh, I should be keep the video editing while I was doing lunch. I messed up with that. So I am actually trying to add the charger over the place where I am going to sit. Come on, man. Look at it. Yeah. So basically it is coming up till here, almost not exactly. I need 2 hands. I have to keep 4. So the thing is set up. So let's see, have we have the stop loss or have we haven't. Please hit the stop loss. And we are about to it. Having the retracement to go to the ups. I love this trade. Pretty much we'll be back. Now I'll just forgive this trade and we'll wait for the same thing right here. Some message came. Oops. Is expiring soon. So we'll wait for the same thing. So now let's forget this and now let's practice this. Don't come down with her. Go up. You have to go up and hit my stop loss. You have to do this. Okay, I'm saying you have to do this. Jaden signing off. Enjoy. Peace. Oh my god, holy crap. Look at this, what I found and what we can predict. Literally almost near about 100% we can say that this is what is going to be happen. So shit happen. No. Hey, welcome back. You won't even believe what I'm able to see and what we can literally predict almost 100% that what is going to be happen in the next couple of days. So see this exact same. I'm saying I'm saying that the market is repeating his moves. So see, so the Pratik give Katula. So see there is exact same pattern. One big red candle, one retracement blue candle, one small doji. It's not a doji, but it's a fat as doji. One red candle, and there is one blue candle. Exact same pattern. And this is currency which odd USD, and this is a price of 7 March 2023. If we just if you just go in a current data, oh my god, this thing looks so similar. This is an odd cat, okay? Every both was having odd. So this is a 2025 data right now, the current market data. So if you just can see here, there is one red candle, okay, exactly in odd USD, which was having a red candle. Then the then the one blue candle, exactly right here, exactly one blue candle. And then there is one red candle right here, exactly a red candle, and then once again the blue candle. So if we just go and just see what happens here, I just wanted to make sure, because I was doing the back testing, I just want to make sure I can start it from here. So if you just go ahead and see like what is going to be happen, we easily could avoid the loss. So looks like the next candle is going to be a blue candle. So looks like, so we can literally see what is going to be happen. The next candle is the very high probable that it is going to be the blue candle. Blue candle means I was literally looking for taking the sales. I was literally looking for taking the sales right now. I was just waiting for 30 minutes to go bearish. So now there is a question: should I take the trade or should I not take the trade? If I take the trade, I could go in a loss by seeing the exact same pattern in previous week and can predict like what is going to be happen. So now, okay, the week haven't closes, so it got wicked out here, and then okay, and it closes the way it is. It closes a beautiful doji, and let's see what is going to be happen. Okay, this pushes down by creating a lot of big wicks right here. So there is a question like what should we do, right? So we literally can see like what is going to be happen. So what I think like what is going to be happen, exact same pattern, brother. So I will just wait for this liquidity grab to get created. Pretty much I will wait for this candlestick close. The next candle is going to be a liquidity grab. The next candle is going to be the push candle to the downside. That's it. That's pretty much it. Odd cat is going to go down, but how? By creating the liquidity grabs and a lot of things, like exact same pattern. Now I will literally clip this video after almost 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I'm literally going to clip this video and I'm going to show you like what I have said and what is going to be happen and what have it happened or have it haven't happened. Hana, brother, you have to say yes. So yeah, pretty much this is how it goes. Signing off. Enjoy. Yeah, almost I'm in the currency. I'm in a trade of BTC USD. I have sold the BTC USD, and I am in a loss. I am in a loss right here. Oh, I was in loss. Now it is converting into profit. Oh no, we are in loss only. The current trade is still ongoing. Create a beautiful weak rejection. The next candle is going to be the engulfing candle to down to the downside. So pretty much I am in this trade risking 0.8%. Just wanted to do it. You can do it. I have this 0.8% right here, which is 731 USD, and I believe this is not going to be come down. I believe this is going to go up as per the 30-minute time frame, because 30-minute looks beautiful to go up. I have took the early trade. This is early trade. This is the highest trade. I believe this is going to come up here, reject this area of interest and push to the downside. I have took the early entry, and none of the less. I literally want my trade to go into loss, just to make sure, just to have the good entry here, tight stop loss to the area of interest, and have the good amount of risk reward ratio, like 14, like something like that. I literally personally want my trade to go in a loss, but it is what it is. It is not going in a loss. I want this to go in a loss. So pretty much it is. If you're really looking to take the trade, you can or you can't. I mean, it's all on you. But I believe this is going to go up. I mean, still believe, because 15-minute is still bullish, 30-minute is still bullish. What about 15-minute? 15-minute, yeah, 15-minute is super bullish. It is retracing previous structure area. Now it is going to have and take my stop loss and then push to the downside. That is what it is going to be happen. So I can able to re-enter, no problem with that. So I just love the accumulation right here, and then push to the downside. I just took the trade just because of, like I was like, brother, I haven't put this area of interest, this area of interest I haven't put, but after I took the trade, then I kind of analyzed it very precisely. Then I found like, brother, we need to have the retracement over here to push to the downside. So that is how I am understanding that is having like 30% chances that it can go up. I mean, have the retracement to this area of interest and then push to the downside. So why I took the trade, just because of every single time frame got bearish. And the other thing is we have saw the weak rejection right here, and then weekly 1 hour EMA is also following, plus 1 hour engulfing candle, plus 30-minute shift of structure, plus 15-minute shift of structure. A lots of things are like clicking that this thing is going to go down. What is the best probability that it's going to go down? Like when it will be a green light that it is going to go down, when this candlestick close below this line, that will be the green light that it is going to go down. You can easily take the trade. So basically I will just close this. I'm not closing this trade. I will just close this video. Man, this is a 7-minute video. I was thinking to make it short, but it is what it is. Signing off. Have a wonderful day. But yes, I can pretty much say that the odd USD, what was that? Odd cat is going to go down, as we have seen the previous data. Hannah Pratik, you have to say yes. This thing is going to come down. But when after this daily candlestick closes like this, and then we liquidity grab and then push to the fucking downside. Signing off. How to close this? Hey there. So literally, I was literally checking the chart. Oh my god, that was so zoom. I was literally checking the chart and see this. As I say, I mean, I am so good in. I got so good in trading. I got so good in trading. I have literally avoided the loss to the perfection. As I said, this in the morning only. I said this is in a low. This is creating the lower lows and the lower highs. This is not ready to go up. This is not ready to go down. So pretty much I'm still waiting for the same thing. I need break and then retest. So 2 hours is the same thing, but we can lower our condition to this area of interest, because this looks 10 times, I mean not 10 times, this is like 5 times better than the above area of interest. It looks beautiful right here. So I will keep an eye. I will make decision when this get break and retest, because it will also come above this EMA. Okay, 15-minute will come above this EMA, 30-minute will come above this EMA. The next thing is also 30-minute will also get bullish in structure. It is already bullish, as we can see it is already in bullish, but we need the bullish structure in structure. We need to buy at a higher low. Make sure this, and the 1 hour will be also above the CMA. This looks more 10 times better than what above this area of interest looks like, because this area of interest, if it is coming, then the take profit will be get messed up. So pretty much it is what it is doing right now. So we have literally avoided the loss by just waiting for that for more confirmation. I'm saying, brother, I am saying it has to come down, then it has to come down. I'm like a god of the market. Yes, I got so happy after I saw this. I mean, yeah, brother, like seriously. So now I was just checking out like the time. Now within 4 minutes I have to check it out. So right now I am literally able to see that this is 30 minutes. This haven't got bullish. Let me check the close. Here is the close time. So close number 6:42, and here is 6:42 basically. So 30-minute is still bearish. I will be waiting for this to be happen. That's pretty much it. Now evening is going to get started. That means the New York is going to get started. This is still consolidating in the place. This has created the lower high to create the new lower low. Looks like that, but it haven't closer below this line. If I'm saying this candlestick close below this line, then it will be like the green signal to sell, like to hold this position. Either or I'm just holding the position, but I'm just like predicting the things, what is going to be happen and what not is going to be happen. So basically 30-minute is still bullish. That is kind of turning me off, but it is what it is now. Looks like the things like literally have you seen this? Just see. Okay, like this is okay, this is going above, then this has shifted, this got little bit above, and then look at the lines, means it is also going to now this is like very much likely that it is going to go down. I mean, I'm just making this I don't know is this going to work or not. Come on, man. But this looks so beautiful, like 10 times better. This the price action is showing that the bearish, I mean the sellers are coming into picture, and now it is going to go down. This is so good. I mean, if it is going to go down, that means we are right, we are correct. But still, I still think like it is going to tap in this area of interest. Still think because like when you saw this thing, you mean it. I saw that it needs a retracement and tap into this area of interest. I will stick to it, brother. I will just what it is. I will be committed to this. That's pretty much it. Yeah, seriously, this is only the thing is what it is. So odd cat it is not loading. They are still doing the practice, and the practice session is so going so slow like anything. Yeah, we are waiting for the shift of structure over here, and I am waiting for the shift of structure over below this. Basically, this is what I have updated. Every single thing is doing the things which I wanted to do. I want this to go above and retest. Only one con is going to be that the 4 hours is going to be bearish, but if it breaks and retest and give me the clean rejection here, then it will be the best possible trade, even though the 4 hours is bearish. I will waiting for this to be happen, because we are creating the lower lows and lower highs. We can't buy in the bearish market. That will be the dumbest thing ever possible to do so. So if it is closing and retesting, then we will be closing above this structure. That means the 2 hours is going to, I mean all the time frames will be get bullish, just 4 hours will not get bullish, and I'm okay with that. I just want trade to make sense, and I'm okay with this. So basically, if this is going to be closed like a doji, man, beautiful, then I will put the fucking house here. Of course not. Just risk 0.8% and then push to the upside. I mean, this looks beautiful. We could easily have the 1:2 here. Easily 1:2. Easy fuckingly. Like, it's so simple. Even 1:3. Easily, brother. So yeah, pretty much it is. So I have updated. I have to now reminder will bang it. I have to close it. So pretty much this is how it's going. I'm still laying down, and I am kind of sleepy. I'm not that sleepy, like I can't control, but yeah, I'm sleepy, but still I have to do what I have to do. Right now I have tracked the trades. Now I am analyzing the trades. Once I analyze my trades, and I will hop onto the video lecture. Once I hop onto that video lecture, see what my analysis and versus his analysis is getting match or not. Once we done that, then we'll continue to do this. Stay tuned, signing off, enjoy. And who's back? Avyan is back. The Avyan is back. Woohoo! कसं काय आलं तू? कसं आलं तू? चॉकलेट घेतले ना तुला मी, आणि आता तू खातोयस का? आणि सगळ्या मुलांना सांग चॉकलेट खायचं नाही. ते एकदाच खायचं, नंतर खायचं. रागव त्यांना चॉकलेट खाऊ नका तेव्हा ते चालेल. Hey there. चाललो आपण चक्कर मारायला. Stay tuned. Let's go. There we came here for removing the pumps. Literally, look at that. Stay tuned, brother. Thank God my dad told me that do POC and just check the every single thing of the car, because tomorrow we're going, right? So that's the reason. Puncture मिल चुका हम लोग को, but he's taking a lot of money. I'm definitely not going to come again here. So also now we are at, the puncture is so big like anything. So now what we are doing, we have to purchase a new tire. So until that we have to do something. So we are taking the stepney and putting up here, and you see this guy is sleeping. Look at that. Stay tuned, brother. Signing off. Right there, the gold is now going to the downside. Beautiful. Okay, so PUC is also done. This is what PUC says, and yeah, I have logged this thing because. क्या म्हणतो आव्यन तू उठला? गुड मॉर्निंग. Stay tuned, let's go. Hey there, I'm in the डिक्की. दर व्हिडिओ काढ दर आणि डिक्की परत लाव. लाव का? हा, जाऊ दे.
हा.
झूम बाय रिमोट ठेवा.
हा.
झूम आउट ऐक, झूम आउटच ठेव, कारण ते झूम आउटच चांगलं आहे. Hey guys,
अयो
ऐक काय कर,
हा.
कर बंद कर बंद कर बंद. Hey guys, this is Udesh.
गेला, गेला, गेला.
Channel and we are making money in Bitcoin
लसूण
going down.
ही किती मग.
खूप लसूण झाले, मागे.
हॅलो.
If you want to learn the course, just join the link right or else.
चुमू चुमू आगे देखो गंजा
कर
गंजा
बंद,
हिरोईन.
कर बंद, अरे कर बंद, आता बंद. तिथे थांब ना, तिथे थांब आणि मन की नाही काय त्याला तिकीट टाकव. अरे
चला आपण याला डिक्की टाकू.
हे नको नको नको.
देखो चूते गए डिक्की में. चोमू है चोमू. गंजा गंजा. यो
Subscribe brother if you didn't subscribe.
No
subscribe.
देखो अयो
काय केलं आपण, शॉपिंग केली का? काय केलं सांग बरं आपण. थांब तू लेफ्टनी आहे. हां दे हात पडो. काय केलं आपण सांग ना. स्ट्रेट आलो 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 आलो. I'm selling this odd cat 4.1 sell odd cat, right? Yeah, we did sell that. Now we need to pretty much very worst entry we got 0.1. we need to be sure 40, right? $40. 0.21 21, that means equal to 0.20. Fuck, we're risking a lot here, a lot. Price is not there where we wanted to. That's why I need fucking laptop, man. Price is here. Shit, the worst possible entry we got. That means entry price is, ये कैलकुलेट करने में ही इशू आ रहा है, 20 काय रे 1 5 थांब बारा 2च मिनटं थांब. नको अव्यान 18 17 काय नाही, काही नाही. मम्मीला सांग काही नाही, जा सांग मम्मीला सांग ना. अरे मम्मीला सांग ना अव्यान जाऊन पहिले. तू दार वाजवलं ना. ऑड कॅट ऑड कॅट लेट्स एंटर दिस. काय रे 0.17 and here is the stop loss. Oh fuck, what is, I'm literally recording everything. Fuck. The worst entry possible way. This is the stop loss. Yeah, pretty much. Let's sell. We're in this trade as well, so pretty much stayed on the worst entry possible we are getting. हो बरोबर हाँ. We should be getting the entry right here, somewhere here. It is what it is. Stay tuned. I will update every single thing. Signing off. How to hey everyone, so I have dropped the Avyan. Now came home. I'm in the parking just because of mom came, so I can't able to like record the videos or something like that. So let me just recap like what we have done up till now. So we have took this trade. This is the GBP odd. I have buy this trade right here. I did one mistake that I certainly took the trade in this account. Okay, where the heck is that? Is that no? That is not the account. In this account, and I have literally risked like 1 to 2 lots, which was overall risk was like $777. I accidentally take that kind of trade, which I should be taking on the big account, which is this account. See, like I will tell you. So 2.55 lot size. This is suitable for this because this is the loss of 738. Okay, so I accidentally log in into this account, and I literally risk. I mean, I thought that the big account is login, and I haven't checked the number. I was just so fast to quick take the trade, and I risked like that, and I instantly got that fuck. We did the mistake. So then I just came out from that trade and then risk, which we lost almost 2%. That's huge, like anything. If we just could hold this trade, we could able to pass the funded account. But no, I don't want to do that. That's total gambling. So this is the odd USD. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. We haven't took the odd USD. Fuck. Shit. Shit happened, brother. Shit happened. I have to. Shit happened, man. This is what I'm saying. I need laptop, brother. Yaar. What is this? What it is? Or GBP or GBP P or GBP. We are in the train, man. Oh, we are in the trade. GBP or audio is. What the fuck was that? What is audio USD? Oh man, this is so messy like anything. Audio USD. Where is audio USD? Oh, that's more huge, brother. I literally haven't. This is the audio USD, and fuck, that was so wrong trade, and I literally risked that I was taking the right trade. Shit. So now then I came into GBP odd. Sorry, odd cat. What the fuck? I mean. Yeah, GBP odd cat, yes. Exactly, yeah, odd cat. No, GBP odd. This is so messy like anything. GBP odd, yeah, GBP odd. Only one thing that is not active here, that is the Bitcoin. I can't able to take the trade Bitcoin in this account. So pretty much this is how it goes. Let's go on the bigger account, which is what we need to do. I have sell the Bitcoin, just recapping every single thing, and what I just take this trade within 15 to 20 minutes before I sell this, and this is what I hate, I was literally selling this, and this came down, and the same lot size I escaped, I have took, so that's the reason the risk. See this, oh fuck, we need to risk like almost $750, but there is look at the risk, brother. This is like $922. That is like a lot risk. I mean, risk management is getting issue. I need to figure out something, some way to get out from this. So yeah, pretty much this is how it goes. BTC is doing good. Odd cat is doing good, and GBP odd is pushing to the upside. I literally took this trade. Why? Because I saw the things that is going to play out. That's why I took the trade. Pretty much it is doing the things that I wanted to do. I'll just fuck. I'm messing around everything. Oh fuck. Kasa?
Oh fuck.
I'm just mummilat part of that. Where the heck that gone? Oh yeah, this is what I was talking about. So GBP odd, my take profit is going to be this structure. Okay, this structure is going to be my take profit, which is going to give us 1:2. Okay, we do have one more area of interest. That is not a good thing. Alright, yeah, I will target this structure. So that structure will give me 1:2. Okay, just remember 1:2. Then odd cat. This is the odd cat. I have saved this odd cat. We are having the 1:2 right here as well. And this is just going to give 1:6. So 1:2. 2 plus 2 plus 6. Sorry, 2 plus 2 plus 6 is equals to 10%. Right. So we have risk like 0.8. Right. Multiply by 10. That will be give us 8%. That will actually pass our funded accounts. That's pretty much it. This is how we are going to pass the fucking funded account. Oh my god, I just don't believe. This to get played out, that's it. This to get played out, that's it. And I probably looks like that. This is like one of the trade. I think so. This is not going to play out, which is this odd cat, because it is. I just feel like that, because when we should take the trade, I just I just gate the things, yeah. So I feel like this is not going to work out, but it is what it is. Let's see how it goes. Pretty much, yeah. We'll be having a target of 1.6%, which is $1,600, and I think so we are going to achieve this. So let's go upside. Signing off. आयुष्य तुला काय बोलायचं का? Hold on. थांबा. Let's come on.
Casinos make consistent profits day after day and year after year, facilitating an event that has a purely random outcome.
Pause. Look at this. I mean, I just got like this alarm was clicking, and that's why my phone was into bedroom. I was doing this. I am doing this right now. This is some of the housework. If we just talk about, damn. I'm getting so good in trading. Let's see. Let's fucking see the profits. Let's see this. Damn, brother. Looks good. So we are almost about to hit our weekly target. This is how we make money from trading. Man, this looks like, as I said, brother. Oh my god. How about funded account? Shit. It's loading. Oh my god, we are up about $57. It is almost like a 1%, 1.1%. I don't give a fuck about this numbers. I'm just giving a fuck about this. My prediction. I just wanted to get good in prediction. I just don't want to make money. I just wanted to get good in prediction. So this prediction is taking care of his. Let's just add the alarm. I believe this is going to break and create the new higher high. Beautiful entry, brother. Beautiful entry. Beautiful. I mean, a beautiful, most beautiful entry we can talk about is going to be this. So I did, like, let me just say, I will. Yeah, mom just gone out. That's why I was like, fuck. Mom just gone out to my sister's Sasubai home. I was like, fuck, why this phone is, like, who's messaging this much? And then I just saw like trading view messages. I mean, trading view notifications coming up. I was like, fuck, let's see how it goes. It is going good. GBP odd, it is killing, man. So now what I'm looking here, it is going to close above this candle, then have the retracement and then push it downside. Right now it is having the closure on the lower time frame. It just can't certainly go up. It has to close over here, then retrace over here, or maybe it could retrace over here. It looks like it can retrace on this area of interest, and then it is going to push to the upside. I look worst. I mean, this tuckle thing is not for me. Yeah, pretty much it is happening now. The retracement is happening in a lower time frame, like 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute is going to have the retracement over here, so it is going to come. And beautiful, look at this, like EMA is getting below. I mean, every single thing is perfect to the T. Yeah. The mistake I have done is after I check the trade, I was in washroom. I was just checking at it. Have we done something wrong? And I saw the things. Here is the GBP odd, and this is odd cat. Look, we are having the ending is odd, the starting is the odd. So if this is going to go up, this thing is going to go down. Basically, it is how it's working. Let's say, like, see here, it has push upside, and GBP odd, it has pushed to the downside. Now it is pushing upside, so that we can literally predict that odd cat is going to push to the downside. Pretty much this is, I did mistake. Like, I should not take the trade, such kind of trade. I should not. I'm literally risking the same amount. I'm literally risking I'm literally risking double the amount in the same trade. Literally same trade. BTC USD is doing his business. Just we need to forget this. I still believe that this is going to come and hit my stop loss because it has to retrace to this area of interest. It has to. So, brother, if this, daily, I just want daily. If daily, yeah, pretty much. If daily candlestick closure below this line, it's a green flag. Then we don't need any kind of retracement on this area of interest. It's just a free fall. Boom. Pretty much it is. It is what it is, and I think so. We are going to close below this line on a daily basis to have the things. But things are rolling, brother. I'm saying now. we're so close to get successful. So close to get successful. I mean, if I get good in prediction, I can get good in making money as well. It is the watermark. It is the bottom thing. Like trading is the last part I wanted to. I mean, money is the last part I wanted to see here. I just wanted to get good in prediction. That's it. That's pretty much it. Going good. Yeah, we have risk here very low. Shit. 739. Should be risking like almost 750, 760, 770. Like such kind of thing. Check OrdCAD. I did check OrdCAD and we are in the trade. I'm negative $400. It is what it is, brother. I feel like this is going to hit my stop loss, you know. Just having that feeling, that weird feeling, you know. OrdCAD. Anagata, I think so. I know her. Is that? Oh yeah, I know her. She is a digital marketer, and I got an application, maybe something like that, you know. That's how we got connected. For like, she is a digital marketer. If I need to market digitally, she is only the girl. Like after, like we don't have conversation like 7 to 8 months. We didn't have any conversation. Pretty much this is having the retracement this week, and now this is going to push to the downside because if GBP odd is pushing upside, it has to push to the downside because this look at it on a daily, okay? Just look at it. It is a mirror image, fucking mirror image. And I just saw it on a daily and I was like, fuck, this should be avoided. A big blue candle. So what is opposite of blue? That is a red. So we are just looking into OrdCAD, a big red candle. So now next is a big blue candle. Let's go on our first pair. A big blue candle. What is the opposite of blue candle? It's a red candle. A retracement red candle. Then there is a push candle. Okay. Then there is the push candle downside. Pretty much the exact same trade I'm taking. Exact same trade. It's just a mirror image. Look at the mirror, literally mirror image. If this is hitting to a take profit, this thing is going to hit the take profit. But why I'm getting the weird feeling that this is going to eat my stop loss? I mean, just a weird feel. Let's see how it goes. Pretty much we are still, I mean, I like to say this, but I'm not doing anything just to see these numbers. I want to see raid, you know. I literally want to see the fucking raid. I mean, I just want to see this, every single thing, raid. I don't want to see blue. You may ask like, why you this? Why you wanted to see raid? Because I wanted to get more and more information. If I lost in this trade, I know that we were waiting for the retracement. So in the next trade, it will be update. We'll always wait for the retracement. Over here, I know why we have lost. Literally. If we lost, I know why we have lost. We are literally taking the same trade. Pretty much it is. We should be taking only one trade. So this is like a cross pair I'm doing. And I didn't even realize this. And we should be avoiding. I literally want to see fucking rate like minus 1.6, which is minus 800 here, minus 800 here, minus 800 here. I literally want to say this. It is what it is, brother. Getting consistent result. Fuck, this is moving like anything. Let's go out. I mean, let's do our business. This is so hard, man. Respect to the women's, how they literally pull this off. I mean, I took almost half an hour to do this. Where it is? It took me half an hour just to remove this. It is so hard. And my hands are literally red. You can see how you do and how girls can do this. I mean, like there is some strategy, you know. There is some right way to do this. Okay. I really respect women first. I mean, this is so hard to do, man. Shit. Stadium. Heading towards, I mean, damn it, man. This is killing, man. Just don't want to see this fucking amounts. Let's see this. Pretty much. I just want to like, yeah, things are working, man. Things are getting true. The things which we wanted to do. Enough. Yeah. I still believe this is going to hit my plus. I wanted to see the red, negative thing. So let me just put this into charging and I will be doing the housework. Yeah, I should be doing I should be doing the practice of trading, but I have to do this housework because if I can't do this, then imagine how mom is doing. I believe there is some strategy like use pull from here or pull up from here. There is always be a strategy to do it simpler way. I just don't know it, but it needs takat, what it is, how we can say it needs like a healthy how we can say in English that word. It needs the courage. It needs a more I can use ChatGPT as well, but no, I wanted to talk. Yeah, it needs fucking power. Yeah, it needs power to pull that thing off, man. Literally, salute. I don't want my mom to do this at all. I will do it for her. Signing off. Let's do this.